Have you ever been annoyed by non-stop notifications when you're sleeping, working, studying, or just need some quiet time? Well, your Android phone actually has a built-in feature that can help you take a break from all those distractions. It's called Do Not Disturb. And in this video, I'll show you how to turn it on and customize it exactly the way you want. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now, look for the option called Do Not Disturb and tap on it. Here, you can simply turn on the Do Not Disturb feature. You can also choose how long you want Do Not Disturb to stay active. If you want to keep it on until you manually turn it off, select Until I Turn It Off. But if you only need it for a specific time, you can set a custom duration, like a few hours or even until the next day. But don't worry, Do Not Disturb doesn't mean you have to block everything. You can still allow important calls and messages to come through. Just go to the Calls and Messages section, then choose which contacts can reach you, such as family members, close friends, or other important people. You can also allow notifications from specific apps while Do Not Disturb is active. Simply add the apps that you still want to receive alerts from. And if you don't want to miss your alarm or important sounds, you can customize those settings too. You have full control over what is allowed and what stays silent. That's it. Your Android phone is now set up with Do Not Disturb mode. And here's a quick tip. You don't always need to open settings to use it. The next time you want to turn Do Not Disturb on or off, simply swipe down to open the Quick Settings panel and tap the Do Not Disturb icon. Try it out and enjoy a more peaceful Android experience.